Hey Brew fam, imagine this. You're standing at the departure gate, boarding pass in hand, heart racing. In a few hours, you'll be stepping into a brand new life. University lectures in Sydney, a nursing job in Canada, or the teaching gig in the UK. But there's one thing standing between you and that dream. Proving you can actually communicate in English. That one thing is IELTS, the International English Language Testing System. Welcome to BREWducate, where we get smarter one sip at a time. Today, we're breaking down the what, why, and how of IELTS in the most practical, no-fluff, 15-minute masterclass you'll ever watch. Whether you're a fresh graduate, a working professional, or a parent planning your child's future, this video is for you. Stick till the end because I'm also busting the biggest myths that stop 90% of people from even trying. If you're watching right now and thinking, should I take IELTS? By the end, you'll know exactly what to do next. Hit that like button if you're ready to unlock your global future, and let's dive in. So, what exactly is IELTS? Let's try to understand the what, why, and how of IELTS. So, IELTS, that's IELTS, it stands for International English Language Testing System. And it's the world's most trusted English proficiency test. It doesn't check if you know English, it tests whether you can actually use it in real life. Now you have 4 sections and 4 skills. Listening, reading, writing, speaking. Simple, right? But here's the gripping part. IELTS open doors that most people only dream about. Higher education, university admissions worldwide. Immigration, visas for Canada, Australia, UK, New Zealand. Professional registration, nurses, teachers, doctor moving abroad, they all need it. There's no age limit, though if you're under 16, some centers ask for parental consent. And it's jointly run by the British Council, IDP Education, and Cambridge English, 3 heavyweights who made sure the test is rock solid and accepted literally everywhere. And here's a fun fact. IELTS was born in 1989, older than most of you watching, but it's more relevant today than ever. Now, the big question everyone asks me in the daily life is, why should I take IELTS? And let me just paint 2 pictures for you. In picture 1, you apply to your dream university. Rejection because your English score wasn't there. Then picture you walk across the stage, degree in hand, new country, new life. And that's the power of IELTS. There are 2 versions of test, and choosing the right one is half the battle. Academic IELTS is for those heading to university or professional registration. It tests whether you are ready to study in English. Dense general articles, academic essays, the works. General training IELTS is for immigration, work, or everyday life. It focuses on real-world English, reading ads, writing letters to your landlord, workplace conversations. Perfect. Now, there's an important thing to understand here. Listening and speaking sections are identical in both versions. So, whether you opt for academic IELTS or general training IELTS, listening and speaking sections are identical in both versions. Only reading and writing change to match your goal. So, before you book, ask yourself, am I going to study or to work or to live abroad? Answer that and you have already saved yourselves months of confusion. Great news, you have choices. You can take IELTS in 3 ways. Classic paper-based, that's pen and paper old school. Computer delivered, faster result, mostly within 3 to 5 days instead of 13. And IELTS online, and it's the newest kid on the block. Take it from the comfort of your home with live video call speaking. Total test time is 2 hours 45 minutes. Listening, reading, and writing happen in one sitting. Speaking is separate, same day or within a week, and lasts 11 to 15 minutes. And here's a pro tip for you. If you hate writing by hand, computer delivered is your new best friend. Let's break down each section like a boss. Starting with listening. 30 minutes, 40 questions. You'll hear 4 recordings that get harder as you go. The recordings include everyday conversations, then monologues, then academic discussion. Audio plays only once. There's no rewind in real life and there's no rewind in IELTS listening test. At the end of the test, you get 10 minutes to transfer answer. The question type in this test includes multiple choice, matching, note completion, sentence completion, map labeling. It's like a treasure hunt for information. Some of the examples of IELTS listening includes Section 1 might be 2 friends planning a trip. Section 4 could be a university lecture. Train your ear now and then the test feels easy. Next, reading. 60 minutes, 40 questions and 3 passages. And unlike listening, there's no extra transfer time. Academic reading includes long, serious passages from books, journals, newspaper. You'll do true, false, not given, matching headings, identifying writer's view. It's like being a detective in a library. And the general reading includes much more practical advertisements, guidebooks, workplace notices, still challenging, but way more relatable. Both versions have the same 11 question types: multiple choice, summary completion, diagram labeling, short answers, you name it. Master these 11 and you're golden. The details on different question types are in the following part of this video. Now moving to the next, the writing module, the section that scares most people, but it doesn't have to. So academic writing has 2 tasks. Task 1 generally lasts 20 minutes for 150 words. Describe a paragraph, chart, diagram, or process. Task 2 lasts 40 minutes, 250 words, includes opinion, essay, discussion, problem solution, the big one. The general writing includes task 1, write a letter. It can be formal, semi-formal, or casual. Task 2 is same as that of the academic. Examiners score on task response, coherence, vocabulary, and grammar. Clear structure plus good vocabulary is equal to high band. Now the fun part, speaking. Generally lasts 11 to 15 minutes and it's either face-to-face or video call. It's not an interrogation, it's a real conversation with a trained examiner. Part 1 generally lasts 4 to 5 minutes, which includes casual questions about home, work, hobbies. Part 2 lasts 3 to 4 minutes, cue card topic, you get 1 minute to prep, then speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Part 3 lasts 4 to 5 minutes and includes deeper discussions on abstract ideas. They judge fluency, pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. Speak naturally, smile, and treat it like chatting with a friendly teacher. Perfect. Quick recap of question types. They're all on screen right now. Listening has 6 main types, reading has 11, writing has 2 tasks, speaking is interview style. So you can pause the video and just have a look at it, or you can take a screenshot. It's up to you. But like we discussed in the previous part of this video, that there are different question types, so you can have a understanding, overview of what type of questions awaits you in different modules. Perfect. Okay, so now scoring. So 9 band scale. So 9 is equal to expert user. 7 is equal to good user. So 7 is what most universities want. Listening and reading are marked out of 40 and converted to bands. Writing and speaking are judged by certified examiners using strict criteria. Overall band is the average, rounded nicely. I put the full listening and reading conversion table on screen. Screenshot this. Okay, so ready to book? Go to British Council, IDP or IELTS.org. Choose date, mode, location, passport is your ID, slots fill fast, book 2 to 3 months early. On the test day, arrive early, valid ID only, no food in the room. Computer users, do the free practice test first. Results generally come in 3 to 13 days, and if you're not happy with your result, you can request a remark within 6 weeks. And there's something brand new that's come up in 2026, and that's one skill retake. So retake only 1 week module without repeating the whole test. So you can check availability in your country, and scores are generally valid for 2 years. Now to the fun part. Let's burst some myths. Okay, starting with the first. Do you need perfect English or Oxford level English? The truth is, Band 7 is fluent, not flawless. Smart strategies beat native level vocab any day. Okay, so this myth is busted. You don't need perfect English, Band 7 is fluent. Myth number 2, only geniuses score high? No, not true. Practice beats talent every single time. I've seen average students hit 8.5 with the right methods. Now the next myth is too expensive and impossible. That again is not true. There's affordable prep and the test is fair. The next myth, the age barrier. I'm too old now to take it. Not true. Anyone can take it. And you have got this. If this video helped even 1%, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop your target band in the comments. I read every single one. Want a full strategy video for each section? Comment strategy and I'll make it next. Thank you for watching BREWducate. Go book that test. Chase that dream. And remember, your future is only one IELTS score away. I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay brewing. Bye-bye.
BREWducate, a sip at a time. New mindset, flip the switch and catch the flow. Level up your vibe and watch your knowledge grow. Get smarter.